Namaste. We're going to learn some eye relaxation techniques that can help you to relax and rejuvenate your eyes and also improve your eyesight. So the first thing what you can do is take your palms and place it on the eyes and just place your palms firmly as you inhale. Press your eyes with your palms, and as you exhale, relax your palms. Inhale, press it harder, press the eyes, press the muscles around the eyes. As you exhale, just relax your palms. Inhale, press, exhale, relax. Inhale, exhale, and slowly release your palms. So this way you can do it at least 10 to 20 times. All right, so 10 to 20 times in the morning, in the noon, evening, and also just before your sleep as well. So as you keep doing it this way, you can definitely relax all the eye muscles that gets strained due to working with laptop computers, use of mobile phones as well. And not just that, you can also use your fingers over your eyebrows. There's a lot of points here on the eyebrows, which is called the nadis, just above the eyebrows and below your eyes as well. So what you can do is use your fingers and then just give a slight massage. So move from the center of the eyebrows towards the corner. This way you can do at least 10 or 20, and also just here very softly, you don't have to press harder, very softly near the place where there dark circles appear. So you can just press softly and massage. And also for 20 seconds or 30 seconds, what you can do is you can start from below the corner of the eye and hold it this way. Hold for 20 seconds. Keep breathing. Do not hold your breath. Just place your point finger. Stay here for 20 or 30 seconds, or even a minute is fine. And then the second point is just below the pupil of the eye. So just down there, you can place it for almost a minute, or 20 seconds is also good enough. Then towards this side, okay, that is towards the edge of the eye, place your point finger. Once again, hold it, keep breathing for 20 or 30, and then towards the corner of the eye. So just place your point finger, stay here, and then you can also start from the eyebrows with the edge, hold it there, then at the center, then to the side. So this way you can hold it 20 or 30 seconds, or even almost a minute is good. The next thing is you can just use your point finger, close your eyes, place your finger on the ball of the eye, and then hold it again for almost a minute and make a rotation. You can make a rotation of 20, and then a reverse rotation clockwise and anti-clockwise on both the eyes. So this way you can definitely help yourself to relax and rejuvenate your eyes. So try to do this every day, at least once in the morning and before you sleep is good enough. Hope this one helps you guys, and this way you can definitely improve your eyesight if you've been using a lot of gadgets or any technological instruments. Okay, see you guys, and do not forget to subscribe, and also you can join live yoga class with me. For that you need to contact through the website right below the description of this video. See you soon. Until then, keep planting smiles.